Reports from Economic Times, The Wire, and The Hindu highlighted a trend on the government cancelling Foreign Contribution Regulation Act license of numerous NGOs, citing alleged policy violations. Many affected NGOs focus on the welfare of vulnerable communities in India. Government cancels FCRA license of 6 NGOs over violations, The Economic Times. FCRA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, is a consolidating act passed by the Government of India. According to the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act's website, FCRA was enacted with the prime objective of regulating acceptance and utilization of foreign contribution and foreign hospitality by persons and associations working in the important areas of national life. It is also mentioned in the website that the focus of this act is to ensure that the foreign contribution and foreign hospitality is not utilized to affect or influence electoral politics, public servants, judges, and other people working in the important areas of life like journalists, printers, and publishers of newspapers and so on. Since Prime Minister Narendra Modi came to power, Hindu nationalist and pro-Modi websites have grown rapidly. In fact, many of these websites are receiving foreign donations, which is a violation of FCRA policies. On the one hand, the FCRA mentioned on its website that it does not allow foreign contribution to be utilized to affect or influence electoral politics and other government servants. On the other hand, pro-Modi websites are receiving such donations. We have come across 2 such Hindu nationalist websites which are being backed by political backing and loopholes. Op India and Hindu Existence. Op India is an Indian right-wing news website often accused of publishing misinformation, fake news, and Islamophobic commentary. The platform openly displays its bias towards the BJP government and extreme Hindutva ideology. Its reputation for misinformation came to light when the International Fact-Checking Network rejected Op India's application for certification as a fact-checker. Between January 2018 and June 2020, IFCN certified fact-checkers identified 25 fake news stories and 14 misreported stories published by Op India. Research from the University of Maryland has highlighted Op India's pattern of shaming journalists it deems opposed to the BJP. The website is known for portraying mistakes as a fake news, shaming journalists, alleging biased partnership, amplifying criticism, and claiming bias against India and Hindus. An investigation by News Laundry found 28 articles published on Op India between November 15 and 29, 2019, with headlines explicitly naming Muslims as perpetrators of various crimes. A former writer for Op India revealed that there was an editorial directive to highlight the Muslim identity of accused individuals to incite hatred among Hindus. One notable example of Op India's fake news involved a series of 7 articles falsely claiming that Rohit Jaiswal, a Hindu boy, was sacrificed in a mosque in Beladi, a village in Kateya, Gopalganji, Bihar, and his body was disposed of in a river on March 28. An investigation by the Director General of Bihar Police, Gupteshwar Pandey, found no evidence supporting the claims of human sacrifice or communal motives behind the boy's death. In addition to misinformation, Op India has been engaged plagiarism and copyright violations, publishing articles without proper attribution to the original sources. These practices further undermine the credibility and ethical standards of the platform. Donation to Op India. In 2019, the BJP government urged Facebook to monetize Op India, and despite its history of spreading hate speech and misinformation, Op India continued to profit from Google ads on its website. However, after a campaign by Stop Funding Hate, several foreign advertisers withdrew from Op India. Recently, Op India announced it will be launching a new subscription model in which the readers can voluntarily pay after reading the news on its website. Many Op India supporters have shared the screenshot of their payment in foreign currency. Op India refuses to accept it as a donation and terms it as a revenues. These so-called revenues are facilitated through PayPal. Despite the platform's policy state that PayPal may not be used for the promotion of hate, violence, racial or other form of intolerance that is discriminatory, while Op India has been found openly spreading hate against the Muslim minority in India. These ongoing donations to Op India violate the Section 3 of FCRA. Section 3 of the FCRA bars journalists, newspaper publishers, and media companies from accepting foreign funds. This rule is in a place to ensure that the media remains unbiased and free from external influences. We see the government shutting down so many NGOs unreasonably, while Op India violates so many rules and policies, including Section 3 of FCRA, and no action is ever taken. On the other hand, Hindu Existence, a pro-Hindu nationalism page run by Upananda Brahmachari, has been associated with the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh (RSS) while actively participating in its activities. The platform is also labeled for this Hindutva agenda and advocating for the establishment of Akhand Bharat, that is undivided India, which is the idea of making whole nation consisting of modern day India, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh with extreme Hindutva mindset where Hindus have dominance and supremacy over other religious communities. Their posts are filled with Islamophobic content which often promotes a divisive and exclusionary ideology that goes against the principles of secularism and pluralism. Donations to Hindu Existence. Hindu Existence has a link on its website to carry out their donations. The name for the links goes by Donation for the Hindu Cause, and the donations are run through PayPal. Their websites mention that they use these donations to fight for Hindu cause. They receive donation not only from India but also from the various other countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, etc. The FCRA requires every person or NGO seeking receive foreign donation to be registered under the Act and to open a bank account for the receipt for the foreign funds in State Bank of India in Delhi. It is found that Hindu Existence is not registered with the FCRA and yet it receives donation without any problem. Op India and Hindu Existence are two of the many pro-Modi and Islamophobic websites which keep on flourishing while going on against so many rules and policies and nothing is being done about it.